Stop scrolling for a second. This photo was taken in 2007. Lionel Messi was asked to hold a baby during a UNICEF charity event. At that moment, nobody knew that the child in Messi's arms would one day become one of football's biggest young stars. That baby was Lamine Yamal. And today, I'm drawing the moment when football history quietly began. Every great story has a beginning. Some begin with a final goal. Some begin with a championship. But this one began with a simple photograph. The year was 2007. Lionel Messi was only 20 years old. He was already showing signs of greatness at Barcelona, but he hadn't yet become the football legend the world knows today. There were no Ballon d'Or trophies, no Copa America title, and no World Cup in his collection. He was simply a young footballer with extraordinary talent and an exciting future. That same year, UNICEF, the global children's charity, partnered with FC Barcelona for a fundraising calendar. The idea was to create heartwarming photographs with Barcelona players and local families while raising money for children in need. Many families entered a charity raffle for the chance to participate. One of the lucky families was the family of a baby boy who was only a few months old. His name was Lamine Yamal. During the photo session, the photographer asked Lionel Messi to hold the baby while taking several pictures. Messi smiled, gently supported the little boy, and even helped bathe him in a small baby tube for some of the photos. For Messi, it was simply another charity event. For Yamal's parents, it became a beautiful family memory. No one in that room, not the photographer, not the parents, not Messi himself, could have imagined that they had just captured one of football's most iconic photographs. Years passed. Messi's career reached incredible heights. He became Barcelona's all-time great, won multiple Champions League titles, collected Ballon d'Or awards, led Argentina to victory in the Copa America, and finally lifted the 2022 FIFA World Cup, completing one of the greatest careers in football history. While Messi was making history, the little baby from those photographs was growing up. Lamine Yamal developed a passion for football almost as soon as he could walk. His exceptional talent caught the attention of Barcelona scouts, and he joined La Masia, the club's famous youth academy that had also helped shape Messi's career. Coaches quickly realized that Yamal was no ordinary player. He possessed remarkable vision, close control, confidence, and maturity far beyond his age. At just 15 years old, he made his first team debut for Barcelona. At 16, he became one of Spain's youngest international players and broke several age-related records. Then came UEFA Euro 2024. The teenager dazzled the football world with fearless performances and played a major role as Spain won the tournament. Then came UEFA Euro 2024. The teenager dazzled the football world with fearless performances and played a major role as Spain won the tournament. Suddenly, people began sharing the old UNICEF photograph again. Fans around the world were amazed. The football legend, who had unknowingly held a baby in his arms, had been holding the future of football. It almost felt like football was passing the torch from one generation to the next. Of course, that photograph wasn't destiny. It didn't make Lamine Yamal a great player. His success came from years of discipline, sacrifice, hard work, and exceptional talent. But the picture reminds us that life is full of extraordinary coincidences. Sometimes, history begins quietly. Sometimes, the most important moments don't seem important at all when they happen. A simple charity event, a young footballer, a smiling baby, one camera click. 17 years later, that single photograph tells a story that has inspired millions of football fans around the world. One became one of the greatest players the sport has ever seen. The other is beginning a journey that football fans hope will become just as unforgettable. This is more than a photograph. It's a reminder that today's unknown child could become tomorrow's superstar, and sometimes, history is captured long before anyone realizes they are witnessing it. If you enjoyed this story and my drawing of this unforgettable moment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Which football story should I draw next? Let me know in the comments.